let's now shift focus on the larger stocks first, and then, of course, we will take it from there. Okay, the Nifty is opening about 105 points lower, make it 100, and the Bank Nifty is about 300 points lower. So better than the SGX Nifty, but let's give it a first 5 or 10 minutes, and then we will talk about it. The broader market as well is opening with a cut of about 1/3 of 1%. I'll go through the winners first because that's a shorter list, and Bharti Airtel really stands out in that because of that block deal. So 1.4% higher, fresh 52-week high almost on Bharti Airtel. Then, of course, it's all about the losers, the HDFC Group stocks, HDFC, HDFC Bank, and HDFC Life, all starting with about 1% downtick. The Nifty is now down just about 92 points, and the Bank Nifty only 270 points. Bajaj Finserv, ICICI Bank, Tata Motors, Infosys is dragging. Infosys, actually, I think this would be a fresh 52-week low on Infosys. TCS as well, and Tech Mahindra, so all these IT names. Reliance is a bit soft, Dr. Reddy's, Larsen & Toubro. But you know what, keep an eye on the mid-cap index, because if first index has to turn in green, that really will be the mid-cap index. 45 points down only now on that one, 0.1%. On the Nifty, of course, a couple of other stocks stand out. ITC, by the way, is doing well. And yesterday also it was up, and today it looks like that wants to bat for the bulls. So that's doing well. And Adani Ports is opening a bit higher. But the market is still trying to find an equilibrium somewhere around the 17,600 mark. Infosys is at a fresh 52-week low. Sonia, over to you.
Okay, in the broader markets, it's not bad actually. The mid-cap index is flat with a bit of a negative bias, down about 47 points. The advance decline ratio is mildly in favor of the advances, so keep an eye out on that. I want to talk about some stocks. Aptus Value Housing, that stock is up about 5% right now. Citi has initiated a buy on that stock with a target price of 425, which is well above the current market price. So keep an eye out on Aptus Value. KPIT Tech has been in the news on that small acquisition. So keep an eye out on KPIT Tech as well. BEL, that one has been gaining quite a bit of ground, now up 60% this year, up 1.5% today. Interglobe Aviation, there are several problems with SpiceJet currently underway. So Interglobe Aviation perhaps, is seeing more traction because of that, up 1.5% there. PB Fintech, Adani Group stocks are coming back. Adani Ports is up about 1%. IFL Finance is another one. Gland Pharma is up about 1.5%. So it's not a bad opening at all. In the broader markets, there's plenty of buying. M&M Financial, Century Textile, Adani Wilmar, LIC, APL, Apollo Tubes are all stocks that are trending in the green right now. In fact, despite the market being under pressure, there are a couple of stocks that are hitting fresh highs as well. On the downside, though, SpiceJet is the one that's down about 4% on the back of news flow. Then you have some more technology stocks, Wipro, Infosys that you spoke about. Even in the broader markets, some of these names. Central Bank of India, by the way, is down about 2%. So do keep an eye out on that. And it's pretty much news-based, but overall, it's not a bad opening, especially the mid-caps, which are trending lower by just 0.2%.
Well, it's a absolutely acceptable, reasonable opening. So not very much to really worry about at this point.